passionate enthusiasts wanted for this sleek and dynamic 2011 Volvo C30R design. A rare and desirable 6-speed manual transmission. Clear broad protection on hood and grille areas. It has the following options: off black, leather flex deck seating surfaces, preferred package incorporated, power driver seat, power passenger seat, keyless drive, power glass moonroof, black sapphire metallic, climate package incorporated, heated front seats, headlamp washers, interior air quality system, IAQS, electronic climate control, rain sensor, leather handbrake, variable intermittent wipers, central power door locks with hatch release, height adjustable front bucket seats incorporated, adjustable front head restraints, leather shift knob with aluminum inlay. Savor quick shifting from a manual transmission paired with this precision-tuned turbocharged gas i5 2.5L/154 engine. With an incredible amount of torque, this vehicle deserves a passionate owner. Pick up your friends and hit the road in the spirited and playful C30. Visit Howard Orloff Imports, located at 1924 North Paulina Street, Chicago, Illinois, 60622 for a hassle-free deal. Original in service date May 7, 11.